Critical Library Mismatch involving the Windows Registry Information Query Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. To start fixing Windows Registry Information Query Library manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the Windows Registry Information Query Library, a specialized extension library that manages the localized querying of registry information for modern apps. If corrupted, system apps and modern taskbar flyouts will fail to render, typically resulting in a silent application hang or a module not found error. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scannow. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as Windows Registry Information Query Library DLL. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A simple restart can resolve file and use errors that mimic a missing Windows Registry Information Query Library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of Windows Registry Information Query Library DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing Windows Registry Information Query Library. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Windows Registry Information Query Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.